Do you also forget people's names seconds after meeting them? Do songs randomly get stuck in your head, looping for hours? Do you laugh at dark jokes that make everyone else uncomfortable? Do you hate small talk about the weather or weekend plans? And do people constantly tell you? Why do you question everything? Most people think these are personality flaws, but psychology suggests something surprising. Many of these habits are actually linked to higher intelligence. Let's break it down. 1. Forgetting names instantly. You meet someone, they introduce themselves, you shake their hand, and 5 seconds later, their name is already gone. But here's the strange thing, you remember their face, you remember what they said, you remember the conversation, just not the name. Psychologists say this happens because your brain prioritizes complex information over simple labels. While most people focus on remembering the name, your brain is analyzing tone, body language, emotions, and context. In other words, your brain remembers the person, not the label. 2. Songs getting stuck in your head. You hear a song once, and suddenly it's playing in your head for the next 6 hours. Even worse, sometimes it's a song you don't even like. This phenomenon is called an earworm, and research from Western Washington University found that people who experience frequent earworms often have stronger working memory. Their brains keep processing patterns even when the music stops, which means your brain is constantly detecting and replaying patterns. The same skill used in problem solving, analysis, and creativity. 3. Preferring solitude at social events. Now think about parties. Everyone is talking, laughing, socializing, and you're just standing quietly in the corner, observing everything. People assume you're antisocial. But research from the British Journal of Psychology found that highly intelligent people actually get less satisfaction from constant socializing because their brains are already active, thinking, connecting ideas, analyzing situations. Too much external stimulation actually drains them. 4. Laughing at dark humor. Then there's dark humor. Someone makes a joke about something tragic or uncomfortable. Everyone else looks shocked, but you laugh. Researchers at the Medical University of Vienna discovered something interesting. People who understand dark humor score higher in intelligence and emotional stability, because dark humor requires multiple mental steps. You recognize the taboo, understand the unexpected twist, and emotionally detach enough to find it funny. That's complex cognitive processing happening in seconds. 5. Hating small talk. Another sign? You hate small talk. How's the weather? What did you do this weekend? It feels like mental torture, not because you're socially awkward, but because small talk contains almost no meaningful information. And intelligent brains craved substance, ideas, concepts, deep conversations. So when you connect with someone, you skip the surface level and go straight into meaningful discussions. 6. Questioning everything. And finally, you question everything. Rules, traditions, systems. When someone says, "This is just how things are done," your brain instantly asks, "But why?" And psychology research shows that higher intelligence is strongly linked to skepticism and curiosity. Because innovation never comes from people who blindly follow the system. It comes from people who challenge it. So if you relate to these habits, maybe you're not weird. Maybe your brain is just wired differently. So tell me in the comments, which one happens to you the most?